How many hours do you spend researching keywords for an article? 2? Maybe 3? Or wait, don't tell me you skipped this important step altogether. Either way, keep watching because this tool is going to take your on-page SEO strategy to the next level and save you hours of work. Writers, agency owners, and content strategists adore Server's keyword research tool for 3 main reasons. First, it saves them so much time.
Performing keyword research is necessary, but when done improperly, can be tedious and inaccurate. Server's keyword research tool uses algorithms built by world-class data scientists to scrape, analyze, and cluster hundreds of pages of data to find the most relevant keywords that often rank together. A task that used to take hours can be completed correctly in a matter of minutes.
Instead of relying on intuition or a good guess, writers who use Server's keyword research tool feel at ease because they genuinely trust its suggestions.
The second reason writers adore keyword research is because of the clusters provided, depending on the topic, of course, usually range from 10 to 20 or 30.
Why does that even matter?
Each cluster contains several keywords that fall under the main keyword, which also falls into the niche or the broad keyword you typed in originally. There's a button you can click directly inside each cluster to create a content editor and start writing.
You can use these clusters as a starting point and divvy them up amongst your team members or freelance writers.
Last and certainly not least, writers adore keyword research because having a high topical authority is one way to climb to the #1 position on the SERP. Let me put it this way. Imagine you're a furniture maker. Writing one article about the best type of wood to build a nightstand isn't enough to show off your expertise. Topical authority means your knowledge and understanding of your craft go way beyond the surface. So you've inserted a broad keyword, and now you have dozens of semantically related topic clusters filled with other keywords that often rank together, and you're creating a beautifully organized web of relevant content. And let's be real, Google will love that.
I hope you didn't think I was going to leave you hanging. Let's do a search together.
First, open the keyword research tool from your Surfer dashboard. Then type in a broad keyword, such as furniture. Don't forget to select your location. Then click the button that says Create Keyword Research. Connect your domain if you want even more detailed information about relative keyword difficulty. You can do that by clicking the Google icon at the top right of the page.
There are 3 handy filters you can use to customize your experience: intent, keywords, and search volume.
Intent refers specifically to user intent or search intent. You should match this as a way of keeping your content relevant to your users' journey and needs. Next is keywords, which you can adjust to show clusters with a certain amount of keywords in each cluster.
Lastly, we've got search volume, which basically means how many people are searching for that term or keyword on a regular basis.
Some other relevant data you can gather from the keyword research tool is keyword difficulty and monthly search volume. If you're using this for just keyword research component, you can export this cluster page to CSV or plain text using the button also located in the top right. If you plan on starting a content editor, perfect. Choose any cluster and click the pad and pencil icon. You can then select or deselect the keywords you'd like to include for an even more personalized experience. Then once you're all done, click Create Content Editor to start writing. This cluster query will remain visible in your Surfer dashboard, and you can come back to it. Choose the next cluster and keep writing under the same broad keyword.
Using Surfer's keyword research tool is like fast-tracking months and months of your content strategy. So, are you ready to take Surfer's keyword research tool for a test drive? Good luck, have fun, and happy surfing!